Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you're paying attention to the crypto market, Bitcoin has found a support near 69,000, has not fallen short from it. It's able to make a recovery. While Bitcoin is able to hold its price, a lot of other tokens are also trying to hold the price and make sure when the Bitcoin recovery happens, they are able to make the most out of it. Now keep in mind, this is probably a good time to buy into a token that you can hold long term. And recently with my new series, a lot of you guys have been loving it. Well, today I have a new token for you that just started a pre-sale. I noticed some of you guys don't like the fact that when I show a token, it has a market cap over 15 million already. You want something even smaller? Well, let me show you 99 Bitcoins. Now this token is in pre-sale stage. As you can see, 5 days left with 1.5 million already being raised and the idea to reach up to 2.2 million. This can be purchased with Ethereum or BNB. Now the reason this one has such a good future is this is a learn to earn project. Now if you guys do not know what that means, well, the more you're going to spend your time trying to learn about cryptocurrency, the more money you will be earning. So pretty much it's the same concept as play to earn. Now this is going to be learn to earn. Launching the new learn to earn token, 99 Bitcoin is designed to reward individuals for learning about cryptocurrency. The classic 99 Bitcoins platform is integrating with BRC20 to pioneer the L2E model on Bitcoin blockchain. So this is just a really good time to get into this project. As you can see, it has been seen on Crypto News, Technopedia, News Bitcoin, CoinDesk, Cointelegram, Bitcoinalist. So there is a lot of things which are talking about it. The community is big. I mean, even if you go on Twitter, they have over 20,000, nearly 20,000 followers there, translating Bitcoin to English with learn to earn. Great rewarded for learning about cryptocurrency. Now, if you talk about how it is going to be working, when MyPoints launched, the world's first rewards platform in 1996, it started a trend, eventually led to tokenomics of rewards. Crypto successful play to earn, move to earn models, staggering 8.9 billion market value in 2023. Now 99 Bitcoins want to become part of this. Launching the BRC20 powered platform since 2013, 99 Bitcoin is the most comprehensive online learning resource, and they want to release this token which will be part of this. What you get on the 99 platform: interactive crypto learning, 99 Bitcoins token rewards, BRC20 tools and education, crypto trending signals, so you can actually go into signals, the Bitcoin halving event effect, what to learn about it, and community engagement. 99 token holder, exclusive training courses, trading signals, VIP community, and earn rewards for staking. So if you want to talk about what the tokenomics look like, 10% are in the pre-sale, 14% to staking, 27% to project funds, 17% to community, and 23% to marketing. The roadmap is looking pretty good. In Q2, pre-sale launch, so pretty much just happened. Staking function is enabled. Platform build begins. Pre-sale claim. DEX launch, platform build continues, and learn to earn information. So Q3 is going to be big, and after that they want to release more and more things and make sure that this token becomes even bigger. Join our 99k Bitcoin airdrop. You can actually join this giveaway as well. And at the same time, if you want to talk about staking, you can see we are about here, but over time the supply will increase and the staking will as well. Now this is just such a good time because the return on the staking is 1,100% per annum. So this is a very good return. At the same time, the Telegram has about 3,400 members. The audit, if you just simply scroll down to the bottom, you guys will be able to see that the audit has no problems. Literally nothing is wrong with it. No critical, no high, no medium, no low. And the pre-sale is also going to be doing very well. If you do want to purchase it, it's very simple. Just make your way to the link in the description. Once you're there, you simply just need to make it to this website, connect your wallet, and follow from there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, drop a like on it. If you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.